What if one tool could replace hours of daily work and run for 24 times 365 without stopping? In 2026 alone, over 70% of repetitive digital tasks are expected to be handled by AI, and Moltbot sits right at the center of that shift. That is why Moltbot is not seen as just another AI tool, but as a digital employee that stays active, remembers everything, and works automatically once set up. Before it was called Moltbot, this tool was known as Claudebot. The original name was a playful reference to Claude, the AI model by Anthropic. The lobster theme, claw-based branding, and mascot all fit that idea, but trademark rules stepped in. Anthropic requested a name change to avoid confusion, and the request was professional and straightforward. Instead of resisting, the project took the opportunity to evolve. In January 2026, the tool officially rebranded to Moltbot. The idea behind the name is simple and clever. Lobsters molt to grow, shedding their old shell to become stronger. The tool did the same. The mascot changed from Claude to Molty, the domain shifted to molt.bot, GitHub repositories were renamed, and the community moved forward smoothly. The features stayed the same. The mission stayed the same. Only the shell changed. And that raised an important question. Did the name really matter? Not at all. What mattered was the problem Moltbot was solving. It is important to be clear here. Moltbot is not a normal chatbot that waits for prompts and shuts down after use. It behaves more like an AI employee that stays online 24/7 and keeps working in the background. Once instructions are given, Moltbot remembers them and does not ask again. It stores tasks, preferences, and context without resetting. Because of this, using Moltbot feels more like delegating work than chatting with software. Most AI tools are session-based, meaning they work only when opened and prompted. Moltbot runs like a background service that keeps working until it is manually stopped. The biggest difference is its memory system, where shared information stays stored and gets reused later. Over time, Moltbot understands goals and habits better. This removes repeated questions and creates a more consistent experience. Many people believe Moltbot needs expensive hardware like Mac Minis or high-end systems. That approach works, but it is not necessary, especially for beginners. Moltbot can run completely in the cloud without buying any physical device. No overheating, no hardware upgrades, and no maintenance worries. This is where Amazon EC2 makes Moltbot affordable and accessible from anywhere. Amazon EC2 is basically a computer on the internet. It behaves like a real machine with storage, memory, and processing power, but it exists in Amazon's data centers. Inside the EC2 dashboard, the interface is simple. There is an option to launch an instance, which means creating a new virtual server. During setup, a name is selected. Ubuntu is chosen as the operating system. Storage is set to around 30 gigabytes, and basic security options are enabled. Pricing is usage-based. If usage stays moderate, costs stay low. For most people, the monthly cost stays between $15 and $25, which is far cheaper than buying new hardware up front. That flexibility makes cloud hosting ideal for testing Moltbot without commitment. Once the EC2 server is live, everything happens inside the browser-based console. Clicking Connect opens a terminal window directly on the screen. No software downloads are needed. Installation requires copying a single command from the official Moltbot documentation and pasting it into the terminal. After pressing Enter, the system handles everything automatically. Status messages appear as Moltbot installs and configures itself. Nothing needs to be typed manually. No deep technical knowledge is required. Within minutes, Moltbot is installed and ready for onboarding. After installation, Moltbot opens in a terminal user interface, also called TUI. It looks minimal and clean, with questions appearing one by one. First comes naming the bot. This is just an identity label. Next is choosing a role, such as assistant or chief of staff. Then comes the vibe selection, which controls tone and personality. Efficient, warm, blunt, or balanced. All options are clearly presented. There is also an optional signature emoji, which makes responses feel more personal. After entering name and time zone details, Onboarding completes. Moltbot is now active and ready to work. Moltbot itself is not the intelligence. It connects to AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, or Miniax. The chosen model affects response quality and cost. For users already paying for ChatGPT or Claude, existing subscriptions can be connected using API keys. ChatGPT offers a strong balance between cost and reliability. Claude models are more advanced, but cost significantly more.
Miniax is the cheapest option, but responses may feel less refined. For most users, ChatGPT models are the safest and most practical choice. The selection process happens directly during onboarding. Moltbot does not stay locked inside a terminal. It can connect to Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, or Slack. Once connected, communication happens like a normal chat conversation. Summaries, alerts, reminders, and updates arrive directly in the chosen app. There is no need to log into dashboards repeatedly. Everything flows through a familiar messaging interface, making interaction effortless. This connection is what truly makes Moltbot feel like a real assistant instead of background software. After setup, the most important step is a full information dump. This means sharing details about work, routines, interests, goals, and preferences. Moltbot stores all of this and uses it later. Unlike basic chatbots, Moltbot builds long-term context. The more it knows, the better it performs. Suggestions become relevant, tasks become accurate, and automation feels natural instead of generic. This memory system is what allows Moltbot to improve daily instead of starting from zero every time. One of the most useful workflows is the morning brief. This is a scheduled message sent every morning with relevant news, weather, reminders, and suggested tasks. A single instruction sets it up. Since Moltbot already understands personal context, the brief stays relevant. Over time, it adapts and improves based on what information actually matters. Waking up to a structured, personalized summary feels far more useful than random notifications. Moltbot can monitor emails once connected through secure connectors. It reads incoming messages and sends summaries at fixed times. Important emails get highlighted, while noise gets filtered out. The same applies to repetitive work like tracking updates, posting content, or organizing information. Even if the setup feels confusing initially, Moltbot explains every step clearly. Not knowing how to do something is no longer a barrier. One powerful technique is asking Moltbot to suggest workflows. Based on stored memory, it can recommend tasks that fit goals and routines. Once a task sounds useful, scheduling it takes one more command. Moltbot handles execution, reminders, and updates automatically. This turns it into a proactive system instead of a reactive tool. Cloud hosting requires some setup, but avoids hardware costs. Physical setups offer easier local access but require upfront investment. For beginners, the cloud approach is ideal. It is affordable, flexible, and works from any device. Hardware upgrades can always come later if needed. Most cloud setups cost $15 to $25 per month. AI usage costs depend on activity, but remain manageable with moderate use. Compared to buying expensive hardware, this approach is far more practical for most users. Moltbot is about freeing time, reducing mental load, and automating boring work. When set up correctly, it becomes a reliable background worker that never forgets and never gets tired. Starting small is the smartest approach. Use the cloud setup, pick a balanced AI model, explore simple workflows, and let the system grow naturally. Over time, Moltbot stops feeling like software and starts feeling like support. If a tool can work 24/7, remember everything, and improve daily, why not let it handle the repetitive work while focus stays on what actually matters? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.